Alright, here's a little update on things I'm doing. So this was a trailer. It was an odd shaped trailer. It was a heavy duty trailer. So what I done is I cut me some legs, and this table's heavy. So what I was gonna do is just use it for like a welding table and just a table I can beat and bang on stuff. I have a decently flat work surface here. So what I've done, I'm kind of backtracking now, and the table's so heavy I don't want to pick it up, cut the bottom of the feet off. I have some casters that I like to move this table around with. About right there. But they're roughly 3 inches in height. And this table is just perfect. It's belt height for short old me. So I'm cutting me some bars here. I'm gonna run across from, this is just a fix here. I'm gonna run it across here, and I'm gonna mount the casters to the bottom side of this. That way, it's gonna be something like that. So the actual legs are gonna be just off the ground when I'm done. Casters are gonna be welded to this. That way I'll be able to roll this heavy table around. The casters have locks and stuff. But I left the stake pockets here, because that way I can stick stuff down in there and pry on it and do all that kind of fun stuff. I cleaned it up. It was rough where they had the shackles plates welded here. I mean, it's still a rough old table, but it's heavy duty. It's some thick stuff. So I was thinking about welding on the table, of course, and just doing grinding and stuff. So I was going to set the bench grinder somewhere in there, and I've already got my vise mounted here. So in theory, I was going to put I don't know how people usually set this up, but I was going to put the end of the jaw here flush with the end of the table. I don't know if that's going to help me in the long run for having something up this way, flush with the side of the table, and grip it some way or another. Because this vise, it rotates. It's just a Harbor Freight one, cheapo, but it actually works. I've had this thing for years, and I've just never had anywhere to mount it. Had it on a wood bench, and that just didn't work. So got me a heavy table to do it. This is what I'm working on, and I tell you what, this is probably the best $60 I ever bought right there. That's an old unit right there, and it cuts like butter. Alright, that's what I'm doing right now. So thought I'd give everybody a little update. I'll try to get something on this table when I'm done. Y'all see me working on it in the future.